Alright, what up, bro? Welcome to another video. I think we're at day 7. Day 7 of vlogsgiving. We're pushing through. I'm trying to post every single day of November, hence why it's called vlogsgiving. Here we are, man. I think it's like 7 p.m. right now. Just posted today's video and I'm barely starting the video for tomorrow. So it's gonna be a hard challenge for me to post every single day of November, but we're gonna try. It's honestly pretty sick. A lot of you guys seem to be enjoying it in the comment section below. I see that you guys are digging the daily uploads, so I appreciate that so much, and honestly that is what's keeping me going. Just linked up with Obed. Got the vet out today. Fortunately, I don't have my vet out. Decided to switch it up a little bit. We've been doing like Corvette videos, I think, for like the past 3 or 4 videos, so took out the Mustang tonight.
I would say you get state rep in the vet, but
bro,
dude, this
chill.
is just the same
bro,
thing, bro.
Off rip, just state rep is crazy. But yeah, I just learned how to do this backfire with the Mustang. I didn't know this car could backfire like that. You guys know I have a flamethrower kit on this car, and it shoots like 4 or 5 foot flames out the rear end. It's crazy. I just learned this little trick where it will shoot like loud, super loud backfires. So I'm gonna show you guys in this video. I think it's freaking sick because it's so loud. It's honestly so obnoxious, but your ears are gonna hurt, bro.
I was gonna pull up next to you, but I was like, I'm gonna roll up the window first. But bro, even under the freeway, freaking pause, I was vibing to music and I went,
It was like boom.
bro,
It made you jump?
Yeah, it made me jump. I wasn't expecting it.
Guys, it is so loud. I'm sorry for your ears, bro.
I have to put some earplugs, earbuds. Oh.
What the heck?
Bro, I'm like sketched out. I'm trying to tuck my ear in there.
I'm sorry for your ears, bro.
Oh my God.
Is there a flame when I like pop though?
There's a tiny one.
Oh, it's a tiny one. That button right there is pretty much what activates the flames. Goodness, I feel so bad for Obed's ears. These backfires are literally like bombs, bro. That camera quality is insane. I need a 17. Oh my gosh.
It echoes everywhere, bro.
Yeah, the mic definitely doesn't do its justice, dude, but I just noticed, I don't know why my headlights are out. My freaking passenger side is out. I checked all the connectors and it don't work. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I should definitely get that fixed before a cop pulls me over. Freaking adds everything else to the list. Yeah, I literally had a full tank of gas at the start of this video, and look, almost at 3/4. Yeah. Bruh. You got me next?
Yeah, bro, I got you,
No, I was
man.
kidding. I can't cheat on my barber, bro. I've been going to my barber for like 10 years.
I respect that,
Shout out
man. Don't cheat on your barber.
I know, we got the same barber. I literally haven't gone to a different barber in like 10 years. Alright. Bro, all of it is all the hair on his forehead. Alright, I'm not trying to bother you. I'm not gonna distract you. Yeah, shout out to Jim, bro. He actually came with me to pick up my vet, if you guys remember. I know you guys saw him a lot on the trip, on that road trip, but here's his car. So sick, man. VSKF. Yeesh. Play me a song, bro. What you got? Nothing? You don't know how to play?
Bro, Chris, you know how to play the guitar?
No. I wish. Damn. sickest C7.
Bro, that was so loud, bro.
Bro, I'm sure it's loud with your top off, huh?
Bro, I'm on the phone too.
Bro, I'm surrounded by vets right now. What the heck? I would have brought the vet out tonight, but it's just way too loud. It was like 8 p.m. when I left the house, and that thing sounds like an explosion when I start the C6, so maybe if it was a little earlier, I would have brought it out, but cool thing with this car, I have the valves. It's on Valvetronic, so it's pretty quiet on startup.
Everybody go
Got a
crazy.
mukbang, bro. Wingstop mukbang. Cajun fries. Cajun corn. 2 ranch. Yes, sir. Tenders for the win. Hot honey rub, I think I got. Bro, that is gonna
Give me the Tower of
freaking
Babel,
fall.
bro.
Wait, I need a picture.
Bro, that's gonna fall. I want to smack that so bad. Oh!
The rent was expensive. Bro, guys, I swear one of the workers ate this, bro. What is this? They give me a half tender. No, you ever see those like fried chicken restaurants and then people get like rats and stuff that are fried? Imagine. Bro.
I originally seen one.
The wrong time, bro.
Like,
Oh yeah, how many rub and grub arm?
I got OEM.
Oh yeah? I don't like garlic.
I don't like anything, bro.
Bro, you didn't even try mukbang.
Bro, no start now, bro. I had to look it up, bro. I had to look it up. I was like, bro, what is mukbang?
Bro,
I was expecting the dish or something.
No, I felt bad because I felt like you just genuinely didn't know what a mukbang was.
I didn't
I
know
didn't
it.
know it at first. Because the mukbang's been around for like, on YouTube for like over 10 years already, for sure. Hey, yo, check this out, guys.
Closer, bro.
I get it extra ranch, and you grab a little tender, you spin it around.
Oh!
Bro, chill.
Damn! It's not even in the frame! You're not in the frame!
that'll be forever screenshot. Forever
Bro, I'm not
screenshot.
doing that, bro. From the Wingstop?
Yeah, those are not good. The fries are good, but
The fries are good.
Yeah, bro, like the bread is head.
Yo.
Yeah,
but
Good boy.
Dude, that's like a shrimp.
Yeah,
Dude, that's like a shrimp.
I don't want to eat them. You don't get waste food, bro?
Worst wheels ever.
T37.
How about most overrated wheels ever?
T37.
Overrated?
ESKFs, Vishnu's, Weds, okay.
I cannot stand weds. I don't know why.
What's your top one wheel? Like
Number one.
number one. Besides Meister, bro.
I was gonna say Meister, literally. Bro, Meisters go with any car, literally. Favorite wheel.
Favorite wheel.
ESKFs.
Really?
Because I feel like in any
Of all
spec
time?
of all time.
Well, BSKFs are actually only a stance wheel, in my opinion.
Really?
Dude, BSKFs with big
Okay.
tires. You know?
Okay. 15-inch BSKF with V-Lock, bro.
Nah.
Bro, that's like, but because it's least favorite wheel for you.
T's.
You actually don't like TVs?
Nah.
No way.
Well, I just don't get what there is to hate about them. They're so simple. Okay, so you hate them because they're overrated. Like too many, like overused.
Yeah.
Overdone.
I was thinking about it. I don't know if I want to do it, but I kind of want to put RPF ones on the bed.
Dude,
I was gonna ask you guys that question.
But,
Bro,
are you
I was gonna ask you.
I like RPF ones.
dude, I never ran RPF one. I might.
I've always used to be the biggest hater of RPF ones, but
RPF ones would look sick on this.
RPF 1RS, bro.
You know what setup made me love RPF ones? Christian from Eliminate when he had it on his.
Oh, yeah.
my god.
Bro, lost
I
memory,
need a
bro.
Pablo, yeah. What is a car that you dislike the most in the whole car scene?
Jeez.
Infinite.
G's?
The G's, yeah.
DQ?
Z's and
Oh,
G's,
man. You're gonna upset a lot of people watching.
I
I'm
can't.
sorry, bro.
Bro.
Like, if we're forgetting about the flatness that they can become, all the takeover stuff, like all the people that drive it, I actually genuinely like them.
Take away like
Yeah,
social aspect or like reputation.
Okay.
Just like your personal taste.
Of what I hate.
Yeah. I cannot stand like Velocitors.
I was gonna say, like, is that even considered in the car community?
Yeah, Veloster?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
people
They
modify
got
it.
ends, bro. Yeah.
Honestly, anything in Hyundai to me is
That's
Nah,
not
that's
I
not
like
bad.
it.
That's not bad.
you like
I like it. You gotta look past it, bro.
like Genesis?
No,
Oh,
not
hey.
Genesis has got a heavy one. I like the rear end though. I'm not
I
gonna
feel
lie.
like Genesis lands.
Front is-
Genesis lands with Z's and Z's.
Yeah.
I agree.
Hey, who's not gonna finish their fries tonight, bro?
Damn, bro. You want some corn?
He's eyeing your shit down.
You're
No
gonna
way
sit
you're-
down in the toilet, bro.
No way you're eating that.
Bro, don't say that.
That's the
bro.
truth, man.
Nasty. I noticed you say a lot of nasty
Hey.
stuff when you eat.
What? No.
Last one to finish gets face.
Alright. That's dumb right now.
Try the Cajun fry, bro.
I
It's just corn, bro.
Wait, what?
Alright, mandatory first mod. Any car. Every car.
Tint.
Does that count as a mod?
Count as a mod?
Yeah.
Coilovers. Whether you're gonna slam it or not, I think most cars can be coilovers.
The most cringe.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt a lot of
A
people.
fully stock car with body kit. Lips,
Like
side
wide body?
skirts, duck bills.
You got your eyebrows started, huh? You got your eyebrows started, huh? Did you go?
I went last week.
Bro, we're supposed to go.
The car mod that you don't like the most. I said window louvers.
Fake carbon.
Okay.
Fake carbon?
Wrap carbon.
TikTok. Oh, TikTok cars. TikTok builds. Are you aware of TikTok builds?
I'm gonna say TikTok in general. TikTok car scene.
TikTok car scene.
TikTok
I feel like
car
that's a big population now.
I can't stand the freaking videos of TikTok when they're like, let's see how much it takes to fill up my, like, bro, who cares, bro?
Yeah, this guy just hopped on TikTok too, bro. He's already mad.
I stopped using it already, bro.
Really?
Like that gas fill up price video, I can't stand. What's
What video
another
is
one?
that?
It'll be like a car, right? And they'll be like, let's see how much it takes to fill it.
Fill it.
Yeah, I've seen those kind of videos. I didn't know it was like a trend. People will build like a static car for like TikTok videos with like crazy like boom spaces
space.
stuff.
Oh,
And then they'll like quit the scene in like a year and a half. Yeah.
I can't stand when they do the license plate thing.
The
Like when
little-
it's hanging
Oh,
off.
bro. See,
You know what I'm talking about?
I don't know why it's a trend to clap out your car.
During like, there was like a Padre parade or something. He was parked in some random
Neighborhood.
like yeah, but it was like a roundabout.
Yeah.
And I was tripping out. I was like, what is this, bro? Like, bro, he was
The
the
baby blue
OG
jeans.
baby blue.
Oh.
He had the white tire letter.
Oh,
White letter.
so like 21 maybe? 21?
Yeah. Then eventually I ran into this car on YouTube and I remember the car. W Glaze, huh?
Dub Glaze. My dub Chris Glaze is I started watching during lockdown, first day of lockdown, bro. I was watching Eliminate and all of a sudden it just played automatically to
Chris.
molded wide body kit.
That was I was just about to ask, what was the first video?
Molded wide body kit, bro. But I didn't know you were local. And one time I was driving my little old Celica and I saw the red FRS, bro. I was like, real.
That was
Fire barber shop right here, and I see him, bro. Pizza Hut.
Okay.
Damn.
Bro, he delivered my pizza once too. And I
No
was
way.
Like,
You didn't tell me that?
I just popped up in my
What
mind.
the heck?
The spokes, bro. That was
Yeah,
a
that was
long
like-
time ago.
That was like 2017, 18.
Okay. Yeah, I was in high school.
You got pulled over like a million times?
Yeah.
I've seen that video too many times.
Oh,
I
like
think
that.
that was my first video.
Did that video went really viral, right? Yeah.
Bro, those are like, that video is like what got me an audience. Or like
Really?
kickstarted it, yeah.
So you're saying I gotta get pulled over tonight, bro?
Chill. Don't even.
I am almost finished editing this video. Right now it is, what time? It's Friday the 7th, 5:35 p.m. I literally hop on a flight in literally 4-ish hours, 4.5 hours. I need to post this video today. This is day 7, the time I'm filming this clip right here. So I need to upload this vlog and also start a vlog for tomorrow for day 8 because I don't have anything to post on day 8. So flying out literally tonight to Boston. So we're hand delivering the FRS. I just got a call from the transport company. They just arrived at Boston with the FRS. So tomorrow it's gonna be a big day. We're gonna be surprising the winner. Well, he already knows, but gonna be hand delivering the car, making a full video with the giveaway winner. So stay tuned for that. That video should be up on Sunday if all goes planned. It is so hard keeping up with daily uploads. Oh, speaking of the transport guy. Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, check the video.
Venmo.
Yeah, I'm receiving. Yeah, I'm right. I got it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, man. Sounds good. You received the receipt for the email.
Okay. I appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Alright, bye. Literally the truck transport, he just dropped off my FRS in Boston, Massachusetts. So yeah, literally we're flying out tonight. I forgot what I was talking about. Sunday's upload should be the giveaway winner video. So yeah, man, we're gonna be exploring Boston too, so stay tuned for that. I'm low-key on a time crunch. I gotta go. So with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know these videos are, some may be, you know, long, some may be short, some may be super entertaining, some may be just like chill like this, like a freaking Wingstop mukbang. But I'm trying to commit to posting every single day. That's my goal for this month. So yeah, man, with all that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.